हाय, वेलकम टू माय चैनल मैथ्स मेड इजी, जिसमें हम मैथ्स को इजी बनाते हैं। टुडे वी विल सी व्हाट आर टचिंग सर्कल्स। इन दिस फिगर, two circles in same plane intersect with a line in only one point. Then these circles are known as touching circles. Touching circles can be defined as follows. If two circles in the same plane intersect with a line in the plane in only one point, then they are said to be touching circles and the line is their common tangent. In this figure, circles with center P and Q intersect line L in point R. Line L is their common tangent and these circles are touching circles. The contact point is R. These two circles are touching externally at point R. Now see this figure. Here are also two circles with center A and B. Intersect line N in point C only. These are also touching circles and these circles are touching internally at point C. Let radius of bigger circle is R1 and radius of smaller circle be R2. If circles touch each other externally, distance between their centers is equal to sum of their radii. Therefore, distance PQ is equal to R1 plus R2. If the circles touch each other internally, then the distance between their centers is equal to difference of their radii. Therefore, distance AB is equal to R1 minus R2. In our next video, we will learn theorem of touching circles. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक कीजिए, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए और मेरे चैनल मैथ्स मेड इजी को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।